What's today's date? Is it the 15th?
15th.
It's Thursday. Going to Magic Kingdom and Epcot today. And it's going to be a high of like 58. So today's going to be the coldest day.
Nope. Tomorrow was.
Today's the coldest day we've had so far. And tomorrow will be colder. So no shorts for me today. I might have to crack out the black jacket tomorrow. We'll see.
You didn't have shorts on yesterday.
You what?
I don't think you had shorts on yesterday.
No, I didn't. But I did the first 2 days. Let's see. Tower. Oh, there's Swan or Dolphin. One of them. I don't know which is which. The slowest one as usual. You can get over to your right. There's no one. Look at all these open lanes, and they're not going over.
Because when you get through there, then you got to get over to the left.
Okay, we'll get one more over. We zip through that. So, are we doing ferry or monorail?
The monorail's faster.
Just remember, there's gonna be crowds this morning because the park opened at 9. Well, 8:30 for early. Okay, to the left.
Yes.
I do have the ponchos today, Abby, if we need them. But it's looking like it's clearing up over to our right.
Yeah, the rain.
What's this over here? What is there?
Lake and a road.
No, I mean the clouds. Like, what park is that? Because they look like they might have rain still.
Let's hope the people here with little kids don't run into it.
Don't what?
Run to try.
Alright, we parked in Peter Pan. Just walked across that whole entire parking lot instead of taking the turn. Now we're passing the Metal Mickey. Park open for resort guests 8:30. Everyone else is 9. It's 9 now. So we're aiming for the monorail. Hopefully the monorail isn't crazy long. Because Abby, there's no ferry today. Definitely a little colder. Oh, okay. Whose bag's getting checked today? This is now 9:20. We're on the ferry. Bottom level. Abby's not quite awake.
No, I'm annoyed. I don't want to wait an hour for trolley.
Is it raining?
It's off the top deck, Mom.
Okay.
That bird is hunting for fish. I just watched his head go underwater. What the heck is over there? It keeps bobbing out of the water.
Rocks that the waves are hitting.
What?
She says that something over there, she thought it was bobbing. I think it's just the rocks.
The lily pads that are bobbing up out of the water as the waves hit them.
Right, there's the Contemporary.
Abby, why didn't you wear more clothes? Why didn't you wear more clothes?
I have a heavy coat.
Once again, por favor, manténganse alejando de las esquineras.
I'm Sunny and Cliff, bringing you the sunny side of entertainment from York City on the planet Zork. Up here with me today is the galaxy-famous Amazing Asteroid.
Hold on, I'm recording this. Buddy, can you open the water real quick?
And the incredible but invisible vocal talent of my backup singers, the Space Angels. You know, after performing at weddings and nightclubs all over the galaxy, it's really great to be back here at Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe. I really love it
Oh my
here.
god, I'm trying to record it. It's right there.
Favorite planet? Hello.
Alright, bye-bye. Alright, we're cutting through Fantasyland to get to Haunted Mansion. As you can see, Abby's wearing a jacket now that she wasn't wearing earlier. We did have to cave and buy her jackets. We told her how cold it was going to be, but she just came out wearing a sweatshirt. And me and Buddy are fine in our jackets, but Abby's always colder than us, so she now has a Disneyland jacket and a Disney World jacket, so she now has a collection.
Didn't you meet JoJo here before?
Huh?
Yeah, he was like working.
No, that was Roy. That was Roy Bay.
You've never met JoJo?
No, we saw him at Animal Kingdom.
Wait, why'd you not say anything? When did you see him?
We saw him at Animal Kingdom last trip.
Why didn't you say hi?
We just didn't, because he looked like he was in the middle of something. I didn't want to bug him.
JoJo! I always look around like he's JoJo's.
If I see him, if I see him on Friday, I promise I will yell and embarrass you.
Embarrass him?
You, by yelling, because you'll probably be embarrassed when I yell. There's All right, we're going.
Let's go this way, guys. You know how to get a turkey leg while you're in line? I think there's turkey leg around here. Alright, go get in line. I'm going over here. Well, I'm going over here to do an education club. Here's the right one. Mom, get in line.
You're gonna find me?
Yes.
Okay. Is it standby? Okay. I'm just recording to show you the crowds. We're trying to get through Adventureland to get out of here. Jungle Cruise is a 45-minute late, so we're not gonna wait. We just picked up the parrot shoulder pal for Jenny, and now we're trying to get out of this wave of people. We are going to take the monorail to Epcot because we have a Guardians of the Galaxy Fast Pass, and we went ahead and made a reservation for Garden Grove. They don't have the spitting camel on today, so I think we're going to stop at I think it's the confectionery. We're at the way out where you can build your own popcorn with the extras. Did you want to wait for this, Abby? No. The one with the dragon?
Look at the work girls on my right.
It's kind of like a nature.
This is literally like just people getting over. Alright, we gotta wait for Abby. I'm not sure you looked at that pin board. What'd you get?
One.
That's your second one, right?
No, but it's the real one. I replaced it.
Okay. Does it look darker?
How do you know it's the real one?
Because mine was a different red. And I looked it up, and that's like the real color of it.
So you just switched the drink?
I don't know if it's as glossy, but it's the real color. It doesn't look matte though.
Yeah, sure enough. It's glossy.
No, it's glossy.
Skyler.
So you just traded like for like?
So we traded the same color.
Did he notice?
Probably.
Really good ones as original.
Yes. Definitely the one I had was more glossy. Do they have a color on this one?
You already looked there. Alright, we're going by this way again.
You guys are together.
Can we get butter popcorn?
Of course, it's coming right up.
Alright, so we're doing for the first we're making our own popcorn.
He was going to
So she
trade.
just picked butter popcorn.
He was going to trade me, and then he changed his mind as soon as he like was going to. He put them side by side. He's like, good job.
These ones look so cute.
Milk chocolate.
Alright, so she just picked milk chocolate. Look at that. What is it?
Twix with toppings.
What did you want, Mom? Twix bar?
I want Twix.
Can we do Twix bar and freeze-dried Skittles? Do you want a third one?
Buddy, what do you want yours?
And peanut M&Ms.
How's that day going so far?
Good.
Alright.
What's the next for the next one?
Freeze-dried Skittles and Twix bars.